Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard layout, the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to tap on this settings icon in this upper panel. So let's tap. Then let's tap on languages and tap on add keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So you can scroll and try to find it, or you can just tap on search language and enter the name of the language which you'd like to apply. So let me pick this one. After finding the language, simply tap on it, and now we can choose the keyboard layouts. And basically the amount of keyboard layouts depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one or two, just like in my case now, or you will have like, I don't know, 7 or 8 different keyboard layouts. So it depends. All you have to do is to simply mark the option which you wish to apply. So I'll pick this one and then tap on done. And now, before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So all you have to do is to go back to the keyboard, and now we've got this characteristic icon which is called globe icon. Thanks to it we will be able to change the layout. So now we've got English, and after tapping on it we can switch to the Urdu one. So in order to remove the language, let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here we have to tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language which you wish to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.